Happy morning, students. Coming back to the continuation of exercise 7.1, we are going to see the third problem now. Third problem, ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to sides AC and AB respectively. Show that these altitudes are equal. He has given in the figure ABC is an isosceles triangle with BE and CF altitudes drawn to side AB and AC. We want to prove BE is equal to CF. Now coming to the solution, let us consider the triangle ABE and ACF. So we find that in triangle ABA and triangle ACF, angle A is common to both the triangles. So I got the first angle as a common angle. Now the second angle, we have CF and BE as altitudes. So it subtends an angle 90 degree with the base AB and AC. So I am taking angle AEB is equal to angle AFC, which is equal to 90 degree. So I got two angles. Now I have the third point, AB is equal to AC, since ABC is an isosceles triangle. So I got two angles and one side. Thus by AA's criteria of congruence, I proved that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. Therefore, its corresponding parts are also equal. So I got BE is equal to CF. Fourth problem, ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF drawn to the sides AC and AB are equal. Show that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF and AB is equal to AC, that is ABC is an isosceles triangle. Figure of the fourth problem looks similar to the third problem, but the question changes here. In the third problem, it is given ABC is an isosceles triangle, but here you are asked to find out ABC is an isosceles triangle. So this is the difference between the third problem and the fourth problem. Fourth problem, ABC is a triangle in which the altitudes BE and CF drawn to the sides AC and AB are equal. Show that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF and AB is equal to AC, that is ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now coming to the solution, in triangle ABE and triangle ACF, we find angle A is common to both the triangles. The second, angle AEB is equal to angle AFC, since these two lines are perpendiculars to AB and AC, so it subtends 90 degree with the side AB and AC. Third case, we know that the altitudes were equal in the given problem, so I got BE is equal to CF. Thus by AA's criteria of congruence, we get triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. So automatically its corresponding parts are also equal. So I got AB is equal to AC by CPCT. Fifth problem, ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. Show that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. So he has given the figure ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base. So using isosceles property, I am going to prove that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Consider isosceles triangle ABC, where you have the property AB is equal to AC and the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So the angles opposite to equal sides AB and AC are angle ACB and angle ABC. So we have angle ACB is equal to angle ABC. Similarly, taking triangle BDC, the same case I am taking BD is equal to DC, where the angles opposite to BD and BC are angle BCD and angle CBD. So I am calling this as equation 2, and the before angle ACB is equal to angle ABC as equation 1. Now I am going to add equation 1 and 2. I will be getting angle ACB plus angle BCD on the left hand side, which is equal to, adding on the right hand side, we get angle ABC plus angle CBD. I proved that ABD angle is equal to ACD. This is the problem. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Side BA is produced to D such that AD is equal to AB. Show that angle BCD is a right angle. So he has given the figure where ABC is an isosceles triangle and AB is extended to D such that AD is equal to AB. We want to show that BCD is a right angle. We are considering an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC. He has given. So using isosceles property, we get the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So the angles opposite to AB and AC are angle ACB and angle ABC. So we get angle ACB is equal to angle ABC. So I am calling this each angle as 1. So I am writing angle ACB is equal to angle ABC, which is equal to 1, calling this as equation 1. Now it is given in the statement AD is equal to AB, but we know that AB is equal to AC. So I can say that AC is equal to AD. So which is again forming an isosceles triangle. So ACD is an isosceles triangle. So again we are marking the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Opposite angles as ADC and ACD. I am marking those angles as by number 2. So I will be getting ADC is equal to ACD, which is equal to 2. Considering triangle BDC, the full triangle, by angle sum property, you will be having the sum of 3 angles equals 180 degree. So angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. In triangle BDC, angle 1 plus angle 1 plus 2 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, which represents the sum of 3 angles in triangle BDC. So we have 2 times of angle 1 plus 2 times of angle 2, which is equal to 180 degree. Taking 2 commonly outside, I will be getting 2 into angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, which implies angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. Now in the figure where angle 1 plus angle 2 represents the angle C, so we found out that angle C is equal to 90 degree. Hence angle BCD is equal to 90 degree.